If you're planning to start a business in the US, forming an LLC is one of the smartest moves you can make. It protects your personal assets, limits your liability, and instantly adds credibility to your brand. In today's video, we are going to show you how to form your LLC anywhere in the world using Doola, a platform built to help founders, including non-US residents, launch their businesses quickly, easily, and in full compliance with their US regulations. This is perfect for digital entrepreneurs, e-commerce sellers, freelancers, or international agency owners. And the good thing is, you don't need US residency, a US address, or even SSN. If you haven't signed up for Doola yet, make sure to use our affiliate link in the video description because creating an account here is super simple. Just click the button that says create a free account. This will forward you to a new page. You can simply use your personal or business email and provide all the information needed. But to make the account creation faster, you can sign up using your Google account. Now, after that is choosing the country you reside to. So matter of fact, you can choose from anywhere in the world because Doola provides that kind of service. I'm going to choose US for now and click the next button. You can choose from any of the following. If you want to form and start a new US business, or if you want to run and grow your existing US business. So it depends really on your goal and preferences. I'm going to choose the first one and click the continue button. This will forward you to a new page. Now, obviously, we're going to choose the LLC, but take note that Doola also offers a C Corp formation. Choose the first one, click the next button. And what will happen is, if you'd like to obtain an S Corp status, which gives you all these perks and benefits, like a pass-through taxation, limited liability protection for owners, and the ability to raise capital by issuing stock. But the thing is, it is only applicable to US citizens or residents can be shareholders. So if you don't want this, you can simply skip that and click the next button. After that is providing your desired company name or LLC name. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this. Click the next button. After that is choosing the state where you plan to form your LLC. Keep in mind that each state has different filing fees and requirements, so make sure to review and compare them before proceeding. And then we need to choose a plan to power up your business. So let's begin with the starter. This is ideal for first-time founders who just want to legally form their US company and handle the rest themselves. So if you are on a tight budget and you're comfortable handling bookkeeping and taxes yourself, and especially if you only need help setting the company legally, you go for this one. These are going to be some of the perks and benefits. It comes with a $297 per year fee. And of course, there is the tax and compliance, which is suggested for founders who want to stay fully compliant with US tax and legal requirements. So if you don't want to deal with tax complexity and you want professional guidance, and of course, if you want peace of mind staying 100% compliant, you go for this specific plan. This is usually the sweet spot for international founders earning revenue. And of course, the most popular is the Business in a Box plan. This is really great for founders who want full legal plus financial management done for them because you have all of these. You have a generating steady revenue, and if you want a hands-off accounting and you plan to scale or raise funding, and of course, you don't want to think about compliance at all. But for now, let's say we're gonna go to the starter plan, click that and click the next button. Normally, when you submit your LLC documents, they go into the state standard processing queue. Depending on the state, Now, this can take anywhere from a few business days to a few weeks. That means if you avail the expedited formation, Doola will fast track your LLC filing with the state. But if you don't want that and you can wait for a longer time, you can opt for the second option. Click the next button. Now, this is going to be the breakdown of your order. This is the perfect opportunity to carefully review all the details you have entered. Because at this stage, you are legally confirming that all information is accurate. If there are any mistakes such as wrong name, misspellings, or incorrect member details, those errors may not be covered under the money-back guarantee. Before proceeding, you'll need to check a confirmation box that states you confirm the accuracy of the provided information. Make sure everything is correct before moving forward and then click the Confirm button. Alright, now we're at the checkout process. This is where you'll see the final breakdown of everything, your formation details, pricing, and the total cost. Take a quick moment to review everything carefully before completing your order. And here's something important. They offer a flawless formation or you get your money-back guarantee. That means if there's an error in your company formation caused by their service, they'll refund that portion, no questions asked. So you are protected. Of course, make sure to check the conditions so that you understand exactly what's covered. And if you are ready to move forward, do not forget to use our affiliate link in the video description below because it supports the channel and helps us create more step-by-step guides like this one. Click the Continue button. And basically that's it on how to form an LLC using Doola. If you are an international founder, digital entrepreneur, freelancer, or e-commerce seller who wants a US LLC without needing a US residency, SSN, or physical address, then yes, Doola makes the process incredibly simple. Now, instead of dealing directly with the state websites, paperwork, EIN applications, and compliance confusion, Doola gives you LLC formation, EIN application, registered agent, compliance support, ongoing guidance, all in one streamlined dashboard. Now, the question is it the cheapest possible way? No. You could technically file everything yourself, but is it the easiest, most beginner-friendly, and stress-free way? Absolutely, especially if your priority is speed, simplicity, and avoiding costly mistakes. Doola is a solid choice. If this video helps you understand the process, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials on building your online business the smart way. Remember, check the affiliate link in the video description below to form your LLC with Doola and launch your US business today. And if you have any questions about the process, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.